Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's DIY craft videos. कैसे हैं गाइस आप लोग? उम्मीद करती हूँ कि खैरियत से होंगे। आज के अपने इस वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगी बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त और आउटस्टैंडिंग क्रिसमस टेबल सेंटरपीसेस, क्रिसमस टेबल डेकोरेशन आइडिया। बहुत ही प्यारी और लेटेस्ट मैं आप लोगों के साथ एक क्रिसमस की टेबल डेकोरेशन शेयर कर रही हूँ। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप लोगों को पसंद आएगी। हमारी वीडियोस आप लोग लाइक करते हैं, उसके लिए थैंक यू सो मच। इसमें आप लोगों को डिफरेंट ऑर्नामेंट्स के साथ क्रिसमस टेबल डेकोरेशंस दिखाई जाएंगी। आप लोग भी इन टेबल डेकोरेशंस को ईज़िली घर में डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं। अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो हमारी वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक कीजिएगा। हाउ टू ड्रेस अ एक्समास डिनर टेबल, हाउ टू स्टाइल अ क्रिसमस टेबल विद एस। Along with Christmas comes the dreaded Christmas rush, the time when lists get longer, days go faster and time seems to just disappear. Well, today on the video, I have a super easy Christmas table setting guide that will help eliminate some of that Christmas stress, especially if you are hosting the family get together. At the end of the video, I have attached a free downloadable checklist which you can print to keep that to-do list super organized. To dress table centerpieces to create height, example branches, tree, flowers, Christmas ornaments. Tray to create a centerpiece, tablecloth, piece of fabric or sheet, set of LED copper wire string lights. Mine are the IS gift. Pack of Christmas bonbon in different sizes. Select colors to match your theme. Cutlery and china. Wine and or tumbler per person. Be as creative as you like. It's nice to mix and match. Set of cutlery per person. Table setting per person. Dinner plate, side plate, bowl, layer. To dress plate, napkins or serviette, name place tag optional per guest, small bonbon or other item. These are very beautiful and very pretty table decorations. I really hope that you really like all the decorations that I shared with you. How to decorate Christmas table for celebration. Decorating a dining table room for everyday's use, great way to add a touch of personality and style to your home. Here are some tips to help you get started. In this video you will see different table decoration ideas with different style and different things. I really hope that you really like all the pictures that I share with you of Christmas table decoration. If you go below down, you will see other videos related to Christmas and different craft ideas. I really hope that you're really enjoying all the videos that I shared with you. Keep supporting me guys, keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.